Operating an X-ray machine requires specific training and adherence to safety protocols due to the use of ionizing radiation. Below are general steps outlining how X-ray machines work and how they are used. How X-ray machines work. X-ray generation. X-ray machines have a tube that generates X-rays. Inside the X-ray tube, electrons are accelerated and collide with a metal target, producing X-rays through a process called X-ray emission. X-ray beam formation. The X-ray beam passes through a collimator, which shapes and limits the X-ray beam to the area of interest. This helps minimize radiation exposure to surrounding tissues. Patient positioning. The patient is positioned on an X-ray table or standing device in a way that aligns the body part to be imaged with the X-ray beam. Proper patient positioning is crucial for obtaining accurate diagnostic images. Radiographic image capture. X-rays penetrate the body, and the intensity of the X-rays that pass through the patient is detected by an image receptor, film, digital sensor, or phosphoplate. The image receptor records the X-ray pattern, creating a latent image. Image processing. In digital X-ray systems, the captured X-ray images are processed by a computer. Digital radiography allows for immediate image viewing, manipulation, and storage. Image display. The processed X-ray images are displayed on a monitor for review by a radiologist or healthcare provider. The images provide detailed information about the internal structures of the body. Using an X-ray machine, safety procedures. Before using the X-ray machine, follow strict safety procedures. This includes wearing protective gear such as lead aprons and gloves, ensuring the patient is properly shielded, and following radiation safety guidelines. Patient identification. Verify the patient's identity and ensure that the correct body part is being imaged. Obtain a detailed medical history, including information about pregnancy and potential contraindications. Collaboration with healthcare team. Communicate with the healthcare team, including the radiologist, to understand the specific imaging requirements and any special considerations for the patient. Positioning and immobilization. Position the patient according to the imaging requisition, ensuring the body part of interest is appropriately centered and immobilized to minimize motion artifacts. X-ray tube adjustment. Set the X-ray machine parameters based on the imaging requisition, including selecting the appropriate X-ray tube settings, kilovoltage, milliampere, exposure time. Exposure. Activate the X-ray machine to expose the patient to the X-rays briefly. Ensure that the exposure settings are appropriate for the diagnostic task. Image review. Review the acquired images to ensure they meet the diagnostic criteria. Repeat the imaging if necessary to obtain optimal results. Documentation. Document the imaging procedure, including exposure parameters, patient information, and any observations or special considerations. Radiation safety measures. Adhere to radiation safety measures, including maintaining safe distances, using lead shielding, and following proper handling and disposal procedures for radiation-sensitive materials. Quality assurance. Participate in quality assurance programs to ensure the ongoing performance and calibration of the X-ray machine. Perform routine equipment checks and maintenance. It's important to note that only trained and certified individuals, such as radiologic technologists or radiographers, should operate X-ray machines. Additionally, adherence to local regulations and guidelines is crucial to ensure the safe and effective use of X-ray technology.